Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to do some basketball stuff with you. So let's move this camera view to the hoop. You can see the hoop, I'm hoping. So I'm just going to show you. Right, so take notes from there. How do you think you need to shoot? You may not have seen me shooting, but you could have saw others. Now, Bob! Okay, so first before we shoot in the net, we're going to start off. So grab your basketball, get your hoop, and let's start. So first we'll start off with doing some refakes with the ball. So 1 and 2 and 1. You'll want to do that diagonally to make a V. That's why it's called refake. Then you're going to do 10 over. If you really need to, you can pick up the ball. It's only a warm up. We want to start off easily. Don't think the camera can see my legs. So, right, now we're going to shoot into that hoop. So get one hand and place it on the side of the ball. With your other hand and place it on the back. With this side hand, you're going to aim at the hoop. And with the back hand is what you're shooting with. So get ready. Right, bounce out. So the thing is, you need to aim for the box, but not to directly hit it, otherwise it's going to bounce out. Like that. So make sure you aim for the direct middle. You want a space where the ball isn't going to fall out where you can't reach, because sometimes it will go behind the board. Like that. Go. Okay. So this person is lazy, so okay, so let me grab my ball back. And now you know what we want to do. This ain't gonna work, I need to. So let's just slightly aim it down there at the feet. There. Okay, can you see my feet? Yes, you can. You can see the ball hanging on the ground. So now what we want to do, throw in the now I need a towel. Alright, so how you want to clean the ball? You want to put the towel over the ball, like you're just laying a blanket over you. Ball's going to be like that. Now mine's a bit wet, so I'm drying it off. You're going to wrap it round. You're going to mostly wrap it round the part that you want to clean. And then you just gonna roll it round a bit. Then you might want to leave it for 5 minutes, but I'm fine with the wet hand, so now it looks nice and clean, but it might still be a bit wet. So now we're going to start with some. Now space aside, you want to start with some leg builder again. Alright, enough of warm-ups when you've done that. And now I'm going to place a POV pod off of the estimate pole, estimately where the pole is. Wait, I should just place it like this since the start. Okay, that's as tall as it goes. Place it back in my bottle. Alright, so when you're through, the ball should not go all the way over there. It's supposed to go not under him, but through. But through there. Camera protection, eh? So, someone's gonna try to take it from you. Oh! You grab it back. Dribble over. Take the shot as quick as possible. What did I do then? What did I just do? How close was I to the net? Yeah. That's a big risk. That's a big risk that it's not going to go through the net. And it's likely to hit a part of the net. So what you want to do, just snatch it from you, you take it back, quickly dribble over, take the fruit. Now that's what we call a rim circle. I don't know if you saw that, but it went all the way around the rim, fell down. So there, take it from you, you snap it back immediately, take it over. I am so sorry. We will now move to camera view. To there. Yeah. That's not hard now. Right, well now we need something else. Mom! BRB. I can hold it, can't I? Wait. It's been on a stick the entire time. Hold on. Okay, I am back and I put the case on my camera. I've got to do that. I will now place it there again. So, it's not on a stick anymore, so it is very low. Let's do some tips or rules about basketball. When you are bouncing in a match, if you pick it up, you cannot dribble again. You have to pass or shoot. No. You cannot physically touch a person, such as you cannot grab their hand, remove it, ball bounces, let go and take the ball back. Now, free shots are likely to happen if you break a rule. So I would recommend them because free shots really get ahead. So another rule is that if it breaks anything, you are instant out and your team wins. And another rule, I'll do one more rule. If you want any more questions about this, make sure to comment it. But one more rule. What you may ask, what if I just carry the ball and walk out? You will instantly have to give a free throw. It will count as a foul. If you take one step whilst holding it, you get counted. You and your team will get counted as a foul. You cannot move with the ball in your hand. You must dribble. Okay? If the ball goes out of court, it's the other team's ball, and that's it. Right, let's get back to the video. Actually, no, I'm gonna add any back to that. Okay, so now what we will do. Who wants to do some like tricks? So let's do an underdoge. That was leg raiser. Underdoge. It's very hard. There we go. Okay. Let's not. It's very hard. We'll learn that. So, what you want to do, you're not just going to bounce it and jump over. Like this. That is a jump ball. An underdoge is where you want to aim not straight, but just a bit angled so that it goes under. But the big problem about that, it may hit your legs. So if you angle it just right and just send it under, it will go through your legs. Once you've done that a couple of times and it does go through your legs, done, that's mastered. Now, we've not done much on the hoop, so why don't we try that? Good view of the hoop. Alright, that's a good view of the hoop. Let's do some fruiting. Can anybody tell me how we hold a ball? I need to stop floating. That is correct. One hand here and one hand here. So let's go. I'm going to stand here and ease. No, that's how you're going to shoot. Let's do that a couple of times. Maybe one more. Do 5. I'm only doing 3 here. 5 passing ones. And then it's a part of the video that we might all like. It's game time. Okay, so get everyone that you want to play a game with, because the first game we're going to play is dodge. So you're going to have one person standing here with no ball. They'll actually stand at the hoop, but not directly under it, and their job is to try and block the basketball, because the other person is going to try and shoot in the net. If the person cannot get it in the net, the other person who's defending gets a point. Even if they didn't block it, they would get a point. Okay, so I don't have a person for that. Now, anyone single player, let's think of a game for you. So, for single player people, here's a game. What you're supposed to do is, let me just set it up. Alright, this game is called the Ultimate Obstacle. So there's going to be a series of obstacles. Oh, wrong way. There's going to be a series of different obstacles, and your job is to pass them and shoot in the net correctly. So if we go over and grab the ball, we go over here, and your first challenge is hit the white thing. So with the ball, you need to hit the white thing, and if it turns like that, you have passed the challenge. Or if it doesn't, you restart. Basically, just do it again there. The next challenge is keep the ball in your hand whilst going under the chair. Game mode active. So with the ball, you need to try and get it through with you. At the same time, without the ball rolling off. Hit the computer. Now that's going to be very hard because my ball just rolled off. If you want it a tiny bit easier, you might need a bigger chair. Slide. Harder for the big thing. This chair is moving. Oh yeah, if the chair moves, you're out. Well, I can't do this. I'm too big. I'm gonna break something today, aren't I? Alright. The next challenge is a dribble. There would be more of these, but I can't find anything else. Real mode activated again. So the aim is to try and dribble around the box. If you hit the box, you have to restart from the start all over again. I'll hit the box again. I'm not restarting this, just so you know. And then you've got to hit on this certain thing. Hoop mode active. You have, for the final challenge, you have to shoot in the hoop. Not the best of a few, but still. If you do it, you have success. If you make it, then you've successfully completed the challenge. Okay, there's another game. Now, if you have any other game ideas, tell me. I might put it in a video. Any more tips and tricks you want me to do? Comment it down below. Make sure it's basketball related. And I'll see you in the next clip. Hold up. Welcome to Spot Leonardo. Try and find where Leonardo is in the following frames. If you can find him, comment down below where he was, and you will win a shout out. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Where's Leo? Can anyone see him? Anyone? Anyone at all? Oh, have we seen him? There he is. Anyone see Leo? Mind the mess, because it's been sunny, so the garden's just a bit messy. Oh, can we see something there in the door? Shall we have a look?
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget, if you want more, comment down below. Well done today, also got a shout out, and that's all from me, so bye! Wait.